Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be unboxing My Dress Up Darling limited edition. So yeah, let's do this. There's a good anime. She loves to cosplay. So yeah, let's see. The limited edition that dolled up includes 9 art cards, 16-month calendar and cosplay planner, sticker sheet, 104-page art book featuring voice actor and cosplay experts interviews. So yeah, as you can see, this is what it includes. And special features: My Dressed Up Darling Dubcast and crew Q&A, custom play, promo videos, Texas opening and endings. Yep. And it's on 2 Blu-rays and 2 DVDs. Alrighty, let's open this up. Let me get my knife. Alright. Alright, let's open this up. Again, this is a good anime. You guys should watch it. You know what? Let's do this first. I always go through that. Let's do this first. So yep, here's the little extras that includes. Let's open this up. Come on, get out you. Come on, don't be shy. There we go. Anything else inside? Nope, nothing else. Oh wait, yeah, just this. Alright, now that's everything now. Okay. And move that to the side. Alright. And these are the stickers. Alright. This is the art cards. I hate when they do that, you know. They don't put no peel. They just want you to rip it apart. I hate that. You know? Hate when they do this. Because then I'm afraid I'm going to rip the art cards apart. You know? They should learn by now not to do that. You know? But yeah, here's the first one. Second one. Yep, nothing in the back, just making sure. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. 6, 7. Dang. 8. And now we go back to that. 8 and 9. Dang. I'm just making space, you know, down here. But yeah. Dang. Okay, I like it. And this is the art book. Oh no, the calendar. Alright, you guys can pause it, you guys want. I'm just gonna go through it. So yeah. You guys want. Oh, this is 2024's. And it has every single character per page. So yeah, you like to cosplay and stuff, this could be for you. I don't know, I never cosplayed, so I don't know what all this means. But yeah. Nice. Let's see now, let's go to this. You know, before we go to the art book, let's go to this one. Alright. And alright, looks like there's these right there. Alright, this is a Blu-ray disc 1 through 7. This is Blu-ray disc 2, 8 through 12, plus special features. And this is DVD 1, 1 through 6. And DVD 2, 7 to 12. But you want special features, you need a Blu-ray. So yeah. And let's go to the art book now. Alright. I'm going to try to go through this as fast as possible. There's too much to go through. So you want to pause it, go right ahead. You know. I was about to flip through this. But yeah. Now here for Gojo. The grandpa. Say you want to pause it, go right ahead. Ooh, the cosplay. Little chibi ones. I bet hiccups. Can you want to pause it, go right ahead. I don't blame you. It's because there's really so much to go through. Oh dang, I was about to flip through this. And we're almost at the end. There we go. But yeah, I like this little thing that we got. Nice. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of My Dress Up Darling limited edition. If you guys well, I recommend the show. It's a good show. But yeah, alright, that does it for me. Have a great day. See you next time for more content on the channel. Until then, have a great day.